Woodpeckers aren't just drumming for communication, they're also hunting. Their strong beaks help them find insects hiding beneath the bark, making them percussion experts of the bird world. Woodpeckers withstand forces 1,000 times gravity when they peck. Their unique skull structure acts like a natural shock absorber, protecting their brains from injury. Woodpeckers have long, sticky tongues. They can wrap them around their skulls, helping protect their brains while foraging for food. Woodpeckers skip traditional nests and instead excavate holes in trees, creating cozy homes for their chicks, a brilliant use of their strong beaks. Woodpeckers are aerial acrobats, moving vertically up and down tree trunks with ease, thanks to their powerful wings and tail feathers. Like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more incredible stories.